So what should the ask be? I guess that's, for me, come with very specific asks. So we want to have enrollment improved by 10%. This is where it is right now. We want to have donations go up by 25%. This is where we are right now. Have very specific, let us know that the end results are, because we can't deliver something we aren't 100% sure on what that delivery looks like.
And ask for options.
That's it.
It's like, okay, I've got one kick at the can at this.
Yep.
Maybe you're a nonprofit. You've got a grant. That's all you can do. Then find out what that looks like at taking one kick at the can and trying to hit that mark.
That's right.
But also ask your partner to give you options. So what would it look like if we sped up the process? We launched quickly. I don't want to use the term MVP, but because it's not an MVP, it's more than that. But you launch it, and then through support you evolve it to actually using data hit that target that you're looking for.